Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's lesson, we will cover how to create a new user in the Invent ERP solution. Let's get started. First, check your subscription to review your subscription details and see how many users do you have and how many are left. Click on your profile. Select My Subscription. By the way, we have a video explaining the subscription page and plan details. You may want to check it out later. Here you can see your subscription details plan. You will see the total number of users left in your plan. After confirming your user count, navigate to the side menu. Go to the configuration section. Click the plus icon to expand the items. Select the users section. You will see a list of all users in your system along with their status. To add a new user, click on Add in the top right corner. Now enter user details. You can add a profile picture to the user by clicking on the picture icon. Enter your name, enter the name of the new user. Enter the email address where the user will receive a verification email to access the Invent ERP system. In the Access Rights section, specify the company or branches the user will have access to. Assign a role to the user for specific permissions. We also have a video explaining user roles, feel free to glance at it later. You can upload any relevant documents or notes for this user in the Message Center section. Click on the Create button at the top left to create the user. Then, in the Preferences section, you can set the default language and time zone for the user. To enable two-factor authentication, go to the Account Security tab. Click on Click to activate to enable two-factor authentication for the user. To send an invitation for the user to activate their account, click on Send Invitation, in the top. The user will receive an invitation email. They need to click Accept the invitation. The user will be directed to the Invent ERP website to create their password. After confirming the password, they should click Set Password. The user can now sign in using their credentials. The user now has access to Invent ERP, and it is listed in your company's user list. That was a quick overview of how to create a new user in Invent ERP, the keystone to your business success. If you need further assistance, we're just one click away. Create a technical support ticket, and we'll get back to you soon.